That's the latest and greatest. That's the newest phone that just came out. You know what to do? You know how to work it? It just came out yesterday. Yeah, brand new phone. Good look. Look, Cam, look on the other side. There's one beside it.
Cameron, do you know how to use that?
What do you do?
So you pick it up. You pick it
You know, you actually put money in it.
Wait, what?
Good look.
How do you pick it up? Did not
Yeah, you
come
pick it
out
up.
yesterday.
Listen,
Came out,
listen, does it make it? What's
came
up,
out in
Kaylin?
1822.
What's up? Does it make a noise?
I have coins. Here, I have coins.
No, don't put any money in there, Kaylin. Don't put any money in there. It's a
Wait,
payphone.
was
That's what
someone
we
calling
grew
me?
up on. Hey, look at me. That's a payphone. That's what we grew up on. We had those phones. We had to stop on the side of the road and make
And
a phone
I'm glad
call.
I was born
Yeah,
a couple
exactly.
years ago.